Hello guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So today video guys, I decided to talk about this TIN number. So there's a lot of video I saw in the YouTube. Many people talk about what is this TIN number is, right? But I also decided to talk about little bit more about this TIN number and what is this TIN number, whom for this, and if you don't have the TIN number and what kind of problem you have. And these are the things I decided to talk about talking through in this video. So guys, so if you are new to my channel, hi, it's me Rahim. I'm a software engineer JavaScript. But today video I'm not going to talk about any technical jargons, but instead of that I'm going to talk about this TIN number. In Sri Lanka, this is really very popular topic among us, right? So most of the people's having doubts on this TIN number and how to create a TIN number and how to request a TIN number from online, and these things people's having some doubts. So in this video I hope I will demonstrate about the expectations. The government is basically announced the peoples who are above 80 plus, everyone should open this TIN number, right? So because even you have a revenue or not, opening a TIN number is must. This is what government is saying. So clearly they mention this TIN number thing is effective from January 1st onward, right? So it's almost past, so it's right now mid of the January at the moment I'm recording this video. So people who not request or people who not obtain a TIN number, they will get punished or they will get penalties. This is what government saying. But before that we need to create this TIN number. So at the moment, you know what, so many people are trying to request this TIN number via online, and many people physically visit to their office, IRD department, ILU revenue department office, and they creating in the same time. So people are right now getting create these TIN numbers, but online thing is still getting pending, because you know what, many people are trying to register through this online portal, but the portal is basically, imagine many people are trying to register to this TIN number. So you can see a lot of people will be trying to register, right? So then they having a problem to create this TIN number for all of them. So this kind of a problem will happen if you are trying to request a TIN number through the online. But anyway guys, you know what, before begin this video, I want to tell this. I have requested TIN number 2 weeks before, but I still not receive this TIN number. Yes, I have this acknowledgement number or reference number when we are creating or when we are requesting this TIN number. Then at the time we will receive one kind of a reference number, so we can keep it for the reference, because until this TIN number is they given to us, right? So keep it that one. So even the 2 week I still not get back from them, and I still not get any TIN numbers yet, right? So anyway guys, you also can create a TIN number through this IRD portal. But maybe you have a question, Rahim, so I don't have any monthly income, right? So then why I need to open this TIN number? Yes, I know that, I can understand that, right? But the thing is, government saying people who beyond the 80 plus, everyone should open this TIN number. Everyone should obtain this TIN number. So this is what they are saying basically. So even you have a monthly income or not, even you are paying a tax or not, even that is doesn't matter, you must need to open this TIN number. So this is what they are saying, right? So we don't have any option, you know what, you don't have any, suppose if you don't have any jobs, right? So you are not doing any jobs, and you don't have any business and you don't have any incomes, do we really need to open this TIN number? Anyway, that is up to you, right? So, but the people who are paying a tax, because I am paying a tax, plus the people who are paying a tax, they can obtain this tin number. So how I am paying a tax is basically, if you are working at company, you are getting earn monthly income, right? So before salary is getting to the bank, the tax amount will be get deducted before that salary is come to your bank, right? So it's by default that get deducting. So why I can't open this tin number? So that's the reason I decide to open this tin number, because every peoples are open. So the peoples who are working with me, everyone's are open this tin number, but I still not open. So I was not open at the time, right? So after that I decided, why I don't need to open this tin number. So because I am paying a tax, then why I'm scaring to open this tin number? So after that I decide to open this tin number. So I request from this IRD department. So I filled all the forms related informations and submitted, but yeah, still not received. Anyway guys, so if you want to open this tin number, right, you can use this ird.gov.lk. That's a site. You can, in Google, you can search Ireland Revenue Department, then you can visit to their site and you can do that registrations. And also guys, maybe another question you have, let's say if I don't have a tin number, so what is the impact of that? So if you don't have a tin number, right, so this is what the question is. If you don't have a tin number, you can't renew your license. So if you have any vehicles, you can't renew it. Suppose if you want to buy any kind of land or house without tin number, you can't buy it. That is another thing, right? So these are the two things only at the moment. Okay, one more thing I forgot that, right? So that is if you are if you are creating a bank account, then also you need this tin number. Without tin number, they're not creating the new accounts. So keep that in mind. Anyway guys, this is all for the temporary purpose, you know what? So I don't want to say that, but you can understand. I hope you will understand that, right? So guys, yes, that's pretty much what I want to say through this video. And let me show you how this IDs look like. You can search IRD, right? So once you once you get the result from the search engine, you will see first Ireland Revenue Department, right? So this is Ireland Revenue Department. You can see registration, access to e-service and all. But let's click this home page, right? So once you land to home page, this is their landing page look like. But here in the top, you can see three kind of a language they providing. If you whatever the language you are preferring, you can pick here. So by default it's English, but suppose if you are only preferring this Tamil language, you can click Tamil or Sinhala, right? So suppose if you click this Sinhala language, then what happen is the site you can see all the things in the Sinhala language, right? So the people who don't know English, then you can pick Sinhala. People who don't know Sinhala and English, then you can pick this Tamil language, right? So let's go to English. So I pick this English. So you don't need to go through all this, but the place I will show you where you definitely where you want to go through it. What is the exact place where you need to visit and learn about this tax thing. So here you can see overview and quick guides, right? So here you can see all the information, how to register and how to obtain a tin number and tax types and all these details they are given here. So if you click this one of the overview, then you can see how to register. There's a two-way to register. One is using attending physically to the IRD department, and you can fill the form and request the tin number. And plus there is another option. You can basically the registration form. Yeah, you can register through online also. That is possible. So that is also another way to request the tin number, right? So likewise you can see bunch of information here. So if you want a detailed quick guide, so you can click this second option. Then in this PDF you can able to see all the information related to how to request a TIN number. So what are the mandatory fields you need to fill, all of these you can able to see, right? So this is all about the TIN thing. So if you see this PDF and all, you can clearly understand what are the mandatory fields you need to fill, all of these, right? So this is basically very simple thing. So you can see once you are registered successfully, you can able to get this acknowledgement number. So keep this acknowledgement number from your end, and keep somewhere in a secure place. Then if suppose something is not happening, or if you are not get any TIN number even after requesting the TIN number, so the acknowledgement will save you, acknowledgement reference number will save you. So here you can see once after registration is complete, so you need to fill all these forms, right? Let me show you that form first. So if you come to this e-service, you can see access to e-services, right? So here you can see PIN request, authorized staff, tax agent, and tax registration. So this is a place where you can basically, so suppose if you register with the individual taxpayer, that TIN number you will get, right? So based on that you can enter your TIN number and PIN number, and after that the verification code, and you can log into the portal. At the moment I don't have this PIN number and TIN number, so I can't log and show you that one. So anyway, for the moment I have this, I will show you how to register it. So if you come to this access to e-service, you have a first options to click this taxpayer registration. You can click that taxpayer registration. Then this you can navigate to a different page, and that page having this drop down. So if you open this drop down, you can see bunch of categories basically, but at the moment you need to pick this individual local, right? So after picking this individual local, you can see a kind of new sections are appearing in the screen, like you need to enter your names and the initials, date of birth, gender, preferred language, all of these things, right? So you need to fill all these things. If you have any professions, you can pick the professions. If not, you can set not applicable, right? So in the form field text box, you can able to see address they are asking in English and singular, and you can only need to fill one of the field. Like if you pick English language, then you need to fill this English language only, otherwise you don't need to fill anything, right? So likewise you need to fill all the informations, right? So after that they are asking this supporting documents, right? So supporting documents, you can pick your national ID card. So send a copy of this both side of your identity card number, then that problem is resolved. And keep in mind guys, this purpose of the registration, so this is very important. You need to pick correct category here, right? So the purpose of registration, you need to pick this for a tax purpose. You are creating this for the tax purpose, right? So click that tax purpose, and after that you can click next, and after filling you can click this next button, and you can get the acknowledgement number. So this is how the acknowledgement will be look like. So you will get a reference. So in the after registering this, after requesting this TIN number, the next page you can see that acknowledgement number plus they will mention you had successfully submit the following request, TIN request basically. A notification will be mailed to you within 5 working days. I told you, right guys? So if you want, if you basically you can prefer the mode of communication. You can see the way if you want email, via email you want to communicate, you can pick this email. So if you want to pick a mail, that means the physical mail, it's coming with the envelope and all, so you can pick this mail. Suppose if you want to want the communication between this in SMS, you can pick the SMS as well, right? So I'm always preferring email because that is familiar to me, right? So likewise, so once you request the TIN number, you will as per their announcement, their message, they will be send you back the reply within 5 days but I didn't get any reply back from them yet. So this pretty much about this how to request a TIN number, and I still not get any TIN number yet. So due to this reason, I can't log it to the portal, right? So hence I can't show you anything at the moment, but yes, after I get a TIN number from them, definitely I will create another video and show you how to submit the returns, right? If you don't have any returns, or if you don't have any income, right? So then how to submit the returns? There is option called nil or null or something. I don't know exactly, but there is an option. Don't worry, I will show you if I get a TIN number from them. I definitely create a video for that. I hope you guys enjoy this video and learn something through this video. Then guys, have a great day. I will catch you on new video. Bye.